Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess on Chess.com. First, you'll want to create a free account, which is super easy to do using your email or a social media login. Once you're logged in, head over to the Play section. This is where all the action happens. You can then select what kind of game you'd like to play, whether it's a quick match or a longer, more thoughtful one. It's a great way to jump right into the world of online chess. Ready for your first game? From the Play menu, simply select Play Online to be matched with an opponent almost instantly. You'll then choose a time control, which dictates how much time each player has for the entire game. Popular options include 10 minutes or 15 minutes per side. Once you've made your selection, just hit the play button, and the system will find someone for you to compete against. It's that simple to get started. During your game, you'll see the chessboard prominently displayed, showing all the pieces, the moves being made, and any captured material. There's also a chat box if you wish to communicate with your opponent, though it's entirely optional. After your game concludes, whether you win or lose, you can use the built-in analysis board. This fantastic feature helps you review your moves, understand mistakes, and learn from each match you play. It's a powerful tool for improvement. To truly improve your chess skills, Chess.com offers many resources. Explore the Lessons section for structured learning paths, covering everything from basic rules to advanced strategies. Make it a habit to practice tactics puzzles every day. These short, sharp challenges are excellent for sharpening your tactical vision. Most importantly, always analyze your past games. Understanding where you went wrong or what you did well is key to consistent growth and becoming a stronger player. Keep learning and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.